house sits on the map, and a set of directions is waiting to be followed. Can you find where these directions lead? Every round starts at the house. South moves you down the map, so 2 south steps drop you 2 rows. West moves you left, so 2 west steps slide you 2 columns over. Follow every step in order, and you land on the exact spot the directions describe. Here is one real map, solved step by step. The first direction sends the walker 3 steps east, all the way across the top row. The second direction drops it 1 step south. The third direction sends it 1 more step east, right onto a place marker. That marker is the answer, the one spot every direction actually leads to. We're on the map train's direction sense. You hold a short path in mind and track where it points. And you turn a list of moves into one exact place, ready to find your way. Play Where on the Map free at PlayMemorize.com. A brand new map every single round. Start plotting your route today.